India, a land of diverse cultures, languages, and traditions. A land where every corner echoes the stories of courage, sacrifice, and resilience. On this day, 77 years ago, we broke the chains of colonial rule, and India stepped into the light of freedom. Independence was not just a moment, it was the culmination of centuries of struggle, a dream that countless Indians nurtured in their hearts. August 15, 2024, marks the 77th anniversary of India's independence from British colonial rule, a momentous occasion that commemorates the nation's long and arduous struggle for freedom. Independence Day is not just a day of celebration but also an opportunity to reflect on the journey that India has undertaken since 1947. As the nation stands tall, it is essential to revisit the historical significance, achievements, challenges, and the path forward. Historical context: India's road to independence was paved with relentless efforts, sacrifices, and a collective vision for a free and self-reliant nation. The Indian freedom struggle, which began in the late 19th century, saw the emergence of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, and countless others who inspired millions to join the cause. The Quit India movement of 1942 and the subsequent naval mutiny in 1946 were critical turning points that accelerated the end of British rule. On August 15, 1947, India finally broke free from the shackles of colonialism, marking the birth of the world's largest democracy. The significance of Independence Day: Independence Day is a national holiday in India, observed with great enthusiasm and patriotic fervor. The day begins with the hoisting of the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi, followed by the Prime Minister's address to the nation. This speech is a significant event, as it highlights the government's achievements, outlines future policies, and pays tribute to the martyrs of the freedom struggle. Across the country, the tricolor is unfurled at government offices, schools, and public spaces. Cultural programs, parades, and events are organized to honor the spirit of freedom. The day serves as a reminder of the values enshrined in the Constitution: democracy, secularism, justice, liberty, and equality. India's progress since independence: Since gaining independence, India has made remarkable strides in various fields, transforming from a colonial economy into a global powerhouse. Some of the notable achievements include economic growth. India has emerged as one of the world's fastest growing economies. From a predominantly agrarian economy, it has diversified into sectors like information technology, pharmaceuticals, manufacturing, and services. The liberalization of the economy in 1991 was a significant milestone that unleashed India's entrepreneurial spirit and integrated it into the global economy. Social and technological advancements: India has made significant progress in social indicators such as life expectancy, literacy rates, and healthcare access. The nation is also a leader in space technology, with achievements like the Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan missions, showcasing India's prowess in scientific research and innovation. Democratic resilience: As the world's largest democracy, India has successfully conducted free and fair elections, ensuring a peaceful transition of power. The judiciary, media, and civil society continue to play a crucial role in upholding democratic values. Cultural renaissance: India's rich cultural heritage, including its arts, music, dance, and cinema, has gained global recognition. Bollywood, Indian classical music, and dance forms like Bharatanatyam and Kathak have captivated audiences worldwide, promoting India's soft power. Challenges and the path forward: Despite the progress, India faces several challenges that need to be addressed to ensure inclusive growth and development. These include economic inequality. While India has seen impressive economic growth, income inequality remains a concern. Bridging the gap between the rich and the poor and ensuring equitable distribution of resources is essential. Environmental sustainability: Rapid industrialization and urbanization have led to environmental degradation. Addressing climate change, conserving natural resources, and promoting sustainable development practices are crucial for future generations. Social harmony: India is a diverse nation with multiple languages, religions, and cultures. Maintaining social harmony, promoting communal peace, and protecting the rights of minorities are vital for national unity. Education and healthcare. Ensuring access to quality education and healthcare for all citizens, particularly in rural areas, remains a priority. Investment in these sectors is crucial for building a skilled and healthy workforce. Conclusion: as India celebrates its 77th Independence Day, it is an occasion to honor the sacrifices of the freedom fighters and to take pride in the nation's achievements. It is also a moment to reflect on the challenges that lie ahead and to reaffirm the commitment to building a just, prosperous, and inclusive India. The journey of independence is ongoing, and each citizen has a role to play in shaping the future of this great nation. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more stories of India's rich heritage and bright future.